So after another really hard week of working in lockdown, I'd get up and try and take a photo with a little bit more action in it. So I got a plank of wood, then I got a knife, some fruit and a little water spray bottle. Then it was time to set up our shot. So I got the wood and I cut the apple in half, and then I wanted to get the apple to float in the air. So if you've got someone in the house with you, easy enough, just get them to hold it up. But me, I had to improvise. So I got a bit of wire, put it in the board, attach the apple. And then the next thing to do is to get your fruit right on the edge of the frame. This is so it doesn't break any illusion. Once that's done, you can go around, grab the knife and take a photo. But if you want to make it look a little bit more convincing, you can use the spray bottle to make it look like it's just been cut in half. And here's the photo that I managed to take. Pretty cool, eh? So I wondered, now that I've done that, what else could I do? So I got a piece of wood and then I very carefully cut it in half. Got the two halves, put it either side of the camera, went round and made myself look like I judo chopped it in half. But instead of the water bottle this time, I took some shards of the wood and dropped it into frame. That was to give the picture the effect that I had actually just chopped it in half. And this is what happened. Well, I hope you liked that. If you try to chop anything in half, don't forget to tag me so I can see what you've been up to. And I'm going to go and get back to my busy week. Thank you for watching. If you could hit that like button, that would be great. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to see anything in our future videos, please leave your suggestions in the comments.